Have you ever felt completely overwhelmed at work? Well, you're not alone. In fact, did you know that workplace stress is at an all-time high in 2024? It's a real issue that many of us face daily. Resilience is the key to navigating these challenges in the workplace. It's all about bouncing back from setbacks and staying strong in the face of adversity. So let's dive into how you can build your resilience and become unstoppable at work. Let's talk about the common obstacles and stressors that employees face today. From tight deadlines to high expectations and constant change, it's no wonder many of us feel the pressure. In today's fast-paced and ever-evolving work environment, building resilience is more crucial than ever. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks, adapt to change, and keep moving forward despite challenges. This comprehensive guide will explore the importance of resilience at work, provide practical strategies to build and maintain resilience, and offer insights into how you can become unstoppable in your professional life in 2024. Understanding resilience. What is resilience? Resilience is the capacity to recover quickly from difficulties and maintain mental and emotional well-being in the face of adversity. It involves a combination of mental toughness, adaptability, and a positive outlook on life. At work, resilience enables you to handle stress, overcome obstacles, and thrive in a competitive environment. The importance of resilience at work. Adaptability. Resilience helps you adapt to changes and uncertainties in the workplace. Stress management. It enables you to manage stress and maintain your performance under pressure. Problem solving. Resilient individuals are better at finding solutions to challenges. Career growth. Resilience is key to overcoming setbacks and advancing in your career. Well-being. It promotes overall mental and emotional well-being, reducing the risk of burnout. Characteristics of resilient people. Optimism. Viewing challenges as opportunities for growth. Emotional regulation. Managing emotions effectively, even in stressful situations. Self-efficacy. Belief in one's ability to influence events and outcomes. Social support. Building and maintaining supportive relationships. Flexibility, being open to change and adaptable in different situations. Perseverance, persistent effort despite obstacles and setbacks. Strategies to build resilience. 1. Develop a positive mindset. A positive mindset is foundational to building resilience. It helps you view challenges as opportunities and maintain motivation in the face of adversity. Practice gratitude. Daily journaling. Write down things you are grateful for each day. Express appreciation. Show gratitude to colleagues and acknowledge their contributions. Focus on positives. Shift your attention from problems to potential solutions and positive outcomes. Cultivate optimism. Reframe negative thoughts. Challenge and replace negative thoughts with positive ones. Set realistic goals. Focus on achievable goals that lead to positive outcomes. Visualize success. Imagine successful outcomes and the steps to achieve them. 2. Enhance emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, EI, is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage your emotions and the emotions of others. High EI contributes to resilience by improving interpersonal relationships and stress management. Improve self-awareness. Reflect on emotions. Regularly assess how you feel and why. Seek feedback. Ask for feedback from colleagues to gain insights into your emotional responses. Mindfulness practices. Engage in mindfulness activities to increase self-awareness. Strengthen self-regulation. Pause and reflect. Take a moment to think before reacting to stressful situations. Manage stress. Use stress management techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, and exercise. Stay calm. Maintain composure during conflicts and challenging situations. 3. Build strong relationships. Supportive relationships are a critical component of resilience. They provide emotional support, advice, and a sense of belonging. Foster connections. Network actively. Build and maintain professional relationships within and outside your organization. Be approachable. Show empathy and actively listen to colleagues. Offer support. Be willing to help others, creating a culture of mutual support. Seek mentorship. Find a mentor. Identify someone who can provide guidance, support, and feedback. Be a mentor. Offer your experience and knowledge to others, reinforcing your own learning and resilience. 4. Enhance problem-solving skills. Effective problem-solving skills are essential for resilience. They enable you to navigate challenges and find solutions under pressure. Adopt a solution-focused approach. Define problems clearly. Break down problems into manageable parts. Brainstorm solutions. Generate multiple potential solutions without immediate judgment. Evaluate options. Assess the pros and cons of each solution and choose the best one. Learn from setbacks. Analyze failures. Reflect on what went wrong and what you can learn from the experience. Adjust strategies. Modify your approach based on lessons learned. Persevere. Maintain determination and persistence despite setbacks. 5. Maintain physical well-being. Physical health directly impacts your ability to handle stress and maintain resilience. Prioritize self-care. Regular exercise. Engage in physical activities to boost mood and energy levels. Healthy diet. Eat a balanced diet to support overall health and cognitive function. Adequate sleep. Ensure you get enough rest to recover and maintain focus. Manage stress. Relaxation techniques. Practice relaxation techniques such as yoga, meditation, and deep breathing. Time management. Organize your time effectively to reduce stress and avoid burnout. Take breaks. Allow yourself regular breaks to recharge and maintain productivity. 6. Continuous learning and growth. A commitment to learning and personal growth enhances resilience by preparing you for future challenges. Develop new skills. Professional development. Participate in training programs, workshops, and seminars. Lifelong learning. Read books, take online courses, and stay updated with industry trends. Seek feedback. Use feedback to identify areas for improvement and develop new skills. Embrace challenges. Step out of comfort zone. Take on new responsibilities and challenges to build confidence and resilience. Set stretch goals. Aim for goals that push your limits and require growth. Celebrate progress. Recognize and celebrate your achievements and milestones. 7. Foster a resilient work environment. Creating a resilient work environment benefits both individuals and organizations. Promote a positive culture. Encourage open communication. Foster a culture where employees feel comfortable sharing ideas and concerns. Recognize efforts. Regularly acknowledge and reward employees' hard work and achievements. Provide support. Offer resources and support for employees facing challenges. Implement resilience training workshops and seminars. Organize training sessions focused on building resilience. Employee assistance programs. Provide access to counseling and support services. Resilience assessments. Regularly assess and address the resilience needs of your workforce. Applying resilience in different work scenarios. Handling workload pressure. Prioritize tasks. Identify and focus on high-priority tasks. Delegate. Share responsibilities with colleagues when possible. Set boundaries. Establish clear work-life boundaries to prevent burnout. Navigating workplace conflicts. Stay calm. Maintain composure during conflicts and avoid reacting impulsively. Active listening. Listen to the perspectives of others and seek to understand their viewpoints. Collaborative solutions. Work together to find mutually acceptable solutions to conflicts. Adapting to change. Stay informed. Keep up with industry trends and changes within your organization. Be flexible. Embrace change as an opportunity for growth and innovation. Seek support. Reach out to colleagues and mentors for guidance during transitions. Overcoming professional setbacks. Reflect and learn. Analyze the reasons for the setback and identify lessons learned. Adjust goals. Reevaluate and adjust your goals based on new insights. Stay motivated. Maintain a positive outlook and focus on your long-term vision. Finally, building resilience is a vital skill for achieving success and well-being in the modern workplace. By developing a positive mindset, enhancing emotional intelligence, building strong relationships, improving problem-solving skills, maintaining physical well-being, committing to continuous learning, and fostering a resilient work environment, you can become unstoppable at work. Resilience empowers you to navigate challenges, adapt to change, and thrive in your professional life. Start implementing these strategies today and take control of your career journey in 2024 and beyond. I encourage you to share your own resilience-building tips in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on personal development and career success. Together, we can all become unstoppable at work.